Hi there. I'm going to show you how to play the intro to Taylor Swift's Love Story on the piano. It's in the key of D. I'm going to play through the whole thing and then we'll break it down. There we go. And that's originally played on an electric guitar. So we have the same pattern played on 4 different chords or groups. Your right hand's only going to use the E and the D, and your left hand's going to change to these shapes. So what are these shapes? Well, let's block them, play them all at the same time without the pattern. You go like this. That's F sharp, A, D, and E. The next shape is one note different. You move the F sharp down to an E. Like that. Then we're going to move both my left hand notes up to F sharp and B. And then last you're going to play, they're going to move them inward towards G and A. That's it. Now let's go over the pattern. We have, if I'll give these numbers, okay, instead of saying the notes, because the numbers, the relationship between the notes, low, middle, and high won't change. So this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4. The pattern is 1, 2, sorry, we'll start with the A, that's how the song starts. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. It's an 8-note pattern. I hear them as eighth notes, so it's 8 eighth notes that just keep playing. Here we go again. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. And if you have that pattern, you just add it to any chord. The next chord's the same. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. Each one's going to be played twice. Okay, the next pattern, the same pattern now on the next chord. We have F sharp, B, E, and D. So once again, it's 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, and then repeated. By the way, there's no rules that say you have to use this fingering, okay? You could use these fingers instead. This can even be played with one hand, though I don't recommend that. I think it's unnecessarily difficult. So find a finger group that works for you, but think about these concepts. There you go. That's the entire intro. Go back and watch the beginning if you want to see it played through again. And ways to practice this are to group the chords, starting with the F sharp and the A, and then here, blocking them, no pattern. They both move up, and then they both move in. Then try adding the pattern and just focus on one chord, because once you get it for one chord, you have it for all of them. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a tutorial on something else.